Don't push me. Get in the fucking shower right
You
now.
don't push me.
Get in the shower.
You don't push me.
Get in the shower.
Don't push me.
Get in the shower. Bring him in.
Yo, what's the problem? No. What did I do? No. What did I do? 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 Don't be guilty. Don't try to utilize me. Don't utilize me. Numerous time for what? For what? Wait for what? Wait for what? That's my keys. Go to my car. I'm a free. You cannot tell me to where to go. I walk to my car. You cannot tell me where to go. You cannot tell me where to go. I can't walk. I can't walk where I go. I'm walking. Yes, I'm walking. Keep walking. I'm walking.
On vient d'arrêter. Viens, pardon, viens. On vient d'arrêter un de nos frères camerounais ici. Il n'a rien fait. Il n'a rien fait, il était juste en train de parler ici. Il n'a rien fait. On lui demande de revenir au savoir. Il n'a rien fait. Il était ici. L'officier lui demande de venir se placer au sidewalk.
Et après, c'est clair. Quelle sa voiture?
I'm an invitee.
Oh, okay, so that's not your
So you have nothing to do with it.
Quelle sa voiture?
That's my brother.
Surtout lui.
I have the right. I'm just asking. Do I have the driver's
I told him.
He's getting a ticket for disorderly conduct because he failed to leave when police told him to do so.
Get all the video.
No, he did that. He was here. He was here.
This is the sound.
He was here. He was here.
This is the sound.
He was here.
He was
here
when you pushed him here.
And you push him.
When you pushed him here.
You push him first. He was here.
You pushed him
Take
right
a video.
here.
I have a video.
I have the video.
I have a video. I'm not talking.
You're gonna get sued. Let me tell you that you're gonna get sued because I own this
He was
event.
not there.
I own
I
this
was
event.
there. He was
No,
here.
he was a lie. It's a lie.
He was here.
He is a lie, officer. It's a lie. It's a lie.
No.
It's a lie. It's a lie. Yes, sir. It's a lie.
What you're doing, you don't do anything.
Yes, what you're doing is lie. And we have it on video.